Welcome to Submitting a Repair Budget by North Oak Investment. In this video, we will walk you through submitting your repair budget on our website at www.northoakinvestment.com. On the North Oak Investment homepage, click on Client Resources and then Create a Repair Budget. If you've not already submitted a loan application, click this link to submit one before proceeding, then return to this page. If you've already submitted a loan application, scroll down and click Create a Repair Budget. Enter the buyer's name exactly as it appears on the purchase contract for the property. Select the type of entity the property was purchased by. Enter your first and last name. Enter the entity's EIN number if the property is being purchased by an LLC or corporation. Enter your Social Security number if you are purchasing the property as an individual. Type a 0 in whichever of these two fields you do not use because all fields with a red asterisk require an answer. Enter your email and cell phone number. Enter the buyer's primary mailing address and the address of the purchased property. Don't forget to include the county of the purchased property. Enter the contract closing date or approximate closing date of the property purchase, the finished square footage of the property, the purchase price, the earnest money deposit if you made one, if not, enter a 0, and the anticipated after-repair value of the property. In this section, you need to define the level of finish you intend for the property. Selecting number 1 indicates a luxury property with high-end fixtures, flooring, finishes, and appliances. Selecting number 2 indicates an average property with average fixtures, flooring, finishes, and appliances. Selecting number 3 indicates a budget quality, fix and flip cleanup and repairs to get the property ready to rent or sell. These next sections will establish the repair budget for your property. There is a section for every part of a fix and flip rehab that you need to consider. We will use the following two sections as examples: the roof and chimney. For the roof, click the box that indicates your intentions: no work, repairs only, partial replacement, or full replacement. Enter the amount you budget for this section. Please note, if you check No Work, you will need to enter a 0 in the Cost Estimate field, as every field on the form requires an answer. The USD 0.00 that appears by default will not count as a completed field. This is true for every section. The chimney section works the same way but has an additional selection box for the quantity of chimneys on the property. You must select an answer. There are a few other sections with additional fields like this. You must answer them all. All the remaining sections work exactly the same way. You must answer each one whether you will be doing work on it or not. As you work through the sections, you'll see that many include the text, not including basement. That's because we want to see all expenses relating to all work in the basement in the section labeled Basement Finish. As you are near the end of the form, you will see a field labeled Other. This is a place for you to add any additional repairs that were not addressed in the previous sections. The description for this field can be left blank, but you must enter a 0 in the Cost Estimate field. Sign the form with your mouse. You must answer the question concerning the resident's status of the property. If you are satisfied with your answers, click Submit Form. Or you can save the form and complete it later. That concludes the Submitting a Repair Budget video. Thanks for watching. Learn about our $300 cash referral program.